Hello friends, myself Subhash Nagarse from Sri Digambar Jain Gurukul High School, Solapur. I shall welcome to all of you in this 8th standard mathematics. Today's topic is area, part first. In this session, we are going to discuss with area and the area of parallelogram. Friends, in the previous standards, we have got introduced with the area. We have calculated the areas of the simple geometrical figures. Recall the formula. Those are very helpful in learning this chapter. Here in this chapter, we are going to discuss on the following important subtopics. That is area of quadrilaterals like parallelogram, rhombus and trapezium. Area of a triangle. Then area of the figures having irregular shape. Area of a circle. Today in this session, we are going to discuss introduction to the area of the parallelogram. Friends, now discuss on this area. In geometry, the area can be defined as the space occupied by a flat surface or a shape of an object. The area of figure is number of unit squares that cover the surface of a closed figure. Area is measured in square units such as square centimeter, square feet, square inches, etc. We often find the area of the room floor to determine the size of the carpet to be bought. Covering the floor with tiles, covering the wall with paint or wallpaper, or building a swimming pool are other examples wherein the area is computed. The application field of this area formula is in the architecture, land surveying and the map designing. The rescaled version of the area for a given place is useful in designing knowledge tools such as globes and geophysical maps. The area calculation for two-dimensional shape is the first step to interpret the volume of a three-dimensional object such as cone, cylinder, ball and cube. Friends, now let us recall few figures and their areas. Common simple shapes and polygon have their own formula for calculating areas. Here are how area of the common 2D, that is two-dimensional shapes, is to be computed. Let us look in this table. First circle, you can see here the diagram of the circle and the area given as pi r square. R is the radius. It is a right angle triangle where base and heights we know. At that time area is half into base into height. The third figure is a square whose area can be given as length of the side brackets to 2 or side into side. Rectangle, length and breadth are known, so area could be length into breadth. This is the parallelogram where area is the base into height. This is the base and it is the perpendicular height. Next is rhombus whose area is given. Area is equal to half into product of the two diagonals d1 into d2. And the third one is trapezium whose area is given as half into sum of the parallel sides a and b into height. So friends, now let us see the practice set 15.1 where are some problems that are based on the parallelogram. To find the area of the parallelogram, let us look in. So problem number 1 now. If base of a parallelogram is 18 centimeter and its height is 11 centimeter, find its area. Friends, here what is given is base 18 centimeter and height is 11 centimeter. We have to find out the area of the parallelogram. We know that area of the parallelogram is equal to base into height. Now we will substitute the values where base is 18 and height is 11. The product of this is 198 square centimeter. So we can write that area of the parallelogram is 198 square centimeter. Now let us see problem number 2. If area of the parallelogram is 29.6 square centimeter and its base is 8 centimeter, find its height. Here area of the parallelogram is given and base is given. So first of all we have to write the given things. So the given things are area of the parallelogram, which is 29.6 square centimeter and base is 8 centimeter. We have to find out the height. Friends, we know that area of the parallelogram is equal to base into height. We'll put the values. Therefore 29.6 is equal to 8 into height. Therefore height can be written as 29.6 upon 8, which is 3.7 centimeter. So height of the parallelogram is 3.7 centimeter. Now let us see the third problem. Here area of the parallelogram is 83.2 square centimeter. If its height is 6.4 centimeter, find the length of its base. Friends, here let us write the given things. That is the area of the parallelogram is 83.2 square centimeter and height is 6.4 centimeter. We know that area of the parallelogram is equal to base into height. Therefore, we will get that 83.2 is equal to base into 6.4. So base could be written as base is equal to 83.2 divided by 6.4 and the result is 13 centimeter. Therefore, the height of the base of the parallelogram is 13 centimeter. Friends, these are only the 3 problems in this practice set 15.1. So practice this. Friends, what we have been discussed today is in this session area, formula of area for some geometrical figures and the problems from this practice set 15.1. Friends, you have to try these problems. Find the area of the parallelogram JKLM shown in the figure below. Here the base and the height are given. You have to find out this area. If the base of a parallelogram is 8 cm and height is 5 cm, find its area. Third one, if area of the parallelogram is 112 square centimeter and base of it is 10 centimeter, then find its height. Find the base of a parallelogram if its area is 40 square centimeter and its altitude, that is height, is 15 centimeter. If the area of the shape shown below is 60 square inches, then find the value of x. Here in this figure, which is a parallelogram whose area is given, this one side base is given, height we have to calculate, which is denoted by letter x. So these are very easy problems. Practice them. Friends, you should not forget the famous words of Nelson Mandela. It always seems impossible until it is done. Very interesting for you, helpful for you. So friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, share with your friends and don't forget to like. So with these words, I would like to say thank you.